Hey everybody, it's your homeboy Clifton Davis. Welcome back to my channel. If you like these videos so much, make sure to like and subscribe. Go to the notification zone. Follow me on Snapchat, Gmail, and text me. Once you do that, comment down below. And today, this is the first episode. You guys never seen this. Always want to do it. This is called Food Tryouts, where I try weird and crazy food creations. Um, if you like this kind of episode, like I said, this is episode 1. Also, comment down below where you want me to try other weird combinations. Um, and today, I'm doing the copycat or the food creation from Eric the Electrics, the peanut butter cinnamon sugar pancakes from his YouTube video. He did this video, this kind of pancake video when he did. He ate everything when he was obsessed. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go to his channel. He on the first part of his video, he made like the breakfast pancakes he did, the cinnamon sugar and peanut butter. It looks very good. I gotta give it a try. So this is why I'm gonna do it right now. So when you're over here, I just made myself some pancakes. Heat up. This is store brand pancakes. I forgot to tell you. He used store brand pancakes, put some peanut butter, cinnamon sugar, and you top it up with some like butter. And you also stack them as well. And I add some sausages with my pancakes because I like sweet, balanced, sweet and savory. And I got some syrup. Now you know Eric Electric, he likes like sugar-free syrup. That I like it. I like that too, but I'm mostly a regular syrup. Comment down below, are your team regular syrup or sugar-free syrup? So here we go. So let's get this syrup into these pancakes. Ooh. 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 There you go. Alright. Let's try these bad boys out. Peanut butter, cinnamon sugar pancakes. Wow. Wow. Yum. I really like this. What a tasting creation pancakes. Man, I never thought. Now, this you know what this reminds me? A little bit similarities to IHOP, like the cinnamon stacks. But this is like a small version. But this tastes good. But the cinnamon stacks don't have the peanut butter. But it's like peanut butter. No, it's like tastes like Reese's. I don't know. It's like peanut butter with cinnamon and sugar. When you put the syrup on, it like blends together. Like tastes real good. But that is awesome. Wow. And what Eric did, not only he heats up the microwave, I mean, he heats up the pancakes, and you put like peanut butter, cinnamon, sugar, and he repeats himself, like stack them, like he said, he makes things epic. But I just did like a decent one. I'm not that crazy like him, Eric Electric. He's awesome. But guys, I recommend you try this and do this. I'll put the ingredients on the description down below, so you guys can give it a try. I definitely like this, and I definitely guys recommend it. Try a piece of sausage, balanced. Let's put some more syrup on those delicious pancakes, man. That is awesome. Man, the peanut butter smooths it out. You can use any peanut butter, either Jeff or Skimpy. Um, yeah, any kind of peanut butter. Or even reduced peanut butter if you don't like, if you like reduced stuff. Also, comment down below. Are you like normal peanut butter or reduced peanut butter? Wow, this is so good. I don't know why. I don't know what's inside Eric the Electric's mind, but he made these kind of pancakes in his video epic. These are awesome. I'm definitely gonna make this, like, keep making more of these. But I would not make these like every single day, because they're not good for you. Good for you, especially with like peanut butter, cinnamon, sugar, and the syrup. Make sure you don't try this at home. Maybe try it once a week or once a month, and you'll be all right. Wow, this this is a very good creation. Air D Electric did. It's very sweet, very smooth. That's the peanut butter, the cinnamon sugar, nice flavor to it. Including the butter just smooths everything out with the syrup. Wow, man, yo, these are the best pancakes I ever had. These kind of best creation pancakes. Man, that's pretty good. Wow. All right. I would definitely from 1 to 10, I would definitely give this one. This is my first. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. This is very good. Very good. Good. But I won't recommend do this every single time. It won't. It won't be good. Wow. One more bite for these pancakes. Wow. I'm gonna finish this sausage. That's what is here. That's why I'm doing this video for the pancakes, of course. I'll finish this food. I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video, and also comment down below what you want me to do for the next food tryouts, and also what you want me to do, any other food creations or weird types I always want to try. Hit me in the comment down below. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, sorry I can't speak today. Once again, follow me on Snapchat, Gmail, text me. If you like these videos, give it a like and subscribe. Go to the notification zone. Once you do that, comment down below. And I'll see you next time for another Clinton Davis show. Or Clinton Tryouts, my bad. So, I'll see you next time. Peace.